Garden Pro is India's leading choice in the distribution and installation of artificial grass lawns. We offer affordable hassle-free artificial grass installation in Chennai and surrounding areas. Creating a beautiful landscaped artificial grass turf with Garden Pro Synth Turf will provide you and your family with more than just a beautiful lawn. Our artificial grass lawn will give you more time to enjoy your backyard with your family and friends. Book your free estimate today. We are a pioneer in the turf industry, and our emphasis on value and quality defines what differentiates us from our competitors. As the premier artificial grass supplier, Garden Pro provides the essential tools and craftsmanship for the best synthetic turf installation. Every time, the benefits of our artificial grass products go far beyond the surface, including virtually no maintenance, no watering or mowing, optimal drainage, and zero damage to grass. You can install artificial grass anywhere. Yard spaces, patios, decks, roofs, pool areas and play areas are all popular picks. It lasts for many years. The typical artificial grass product comes with a 15-year warranty and a 1-year warranty on labor. It's extra safe for kids and pets, unlike fertilizer and weed killer that you may need to use for your natural grass. Contact us today to learn more about the endless Garden Pro Synth Turf application and installation possibilities with Garden Pro Landscapes Chennai.